And we hope you enjoy the rest of the show. The world we live in gets harder every day. Don't always play the notes on the same page, but melody takes away the pain. Yeah, into a higher place. Picture music without guitar strings, without beat strands and piano keys. Breathe in, breathe out, that's when beautiful sounds. What makes us without melody? My darling, so need some relief. Well, just listen to that musical beat. You'll know when you're finding the right key. Just lose yourself inside the song of your dreams. Picture music without guitar strings, without big bass drums and piano keys. Breathe in, breathe out, that's when beautiful sounds. What is your beat without melody? Don't matter what, wherever we are, 'cause a perfect harmony, it will take you beyond the stars. It's your music without big strings and melodies. Breathe in, breathe out, that's when beautiful sounds. What is your beat without melody? Picture music without guitar strings, without rhythm, bass, drums, and piano keys. Breathe in, breathe out, that's beautiful sounds. What would this world be? What would this world be? Yeah. What would this world be without melody? Thanks. Okay, so for this next song, I'd like to have my stepdad, Bransford, come up and help me. We wrote some rhymes for the bridge, and I know you'll love it.
Although I love playing outside, but... Okay, sorry about the wait. Here we go, Depths of Jupiter.